feel invisible to your audience, even though you're doing great work? If so, watch this. Some of the most talented entrepreneurs I know of are invisible to their audience. They have great expertise. They know what they're talking about. They've got proven results for the people they work with, but no one knows who they are. And people that have half their talent are getting more opportunities because they're more visible. Now, in the past 20 years of me being in business, I've realized this one truth. Well, more than one truth. It might be pretty bad that I only learned one truth in 20 years, unless it's a really profound truth. One truth is this: expertise without visibility is just an expensive hobby. That's why I'm going to host a complimentary workshop, not webinar, a workshop for only 20 people about how to build and monetize your personal brand. If you are a CEO, an entrepreneur, a business owner, an agency owner, or anything in between, anybody that wants to get their personal brand story out to more people and become more visible, this workshop's for you. If you're not, don't take up the spot so that for someone else. By the time that you're done with this workshop, you're going to get three things. Number one is you're going to understand the cost of not having a personal brand. Number two is you're going to get a personal brand profile that is going to do all the deep research on your ideal client profile, conferences, publications, podcasts, and things like that that you could be participating in, that you should be on to increase your visibility. And then number three is you're going to get a roadmap. You're going to get some next steps to be able to take to start going down that path. Now, the reason I'm wearing the shirt, Brandify is the AI powered tool that is going to help you build that profile and do all that deep research so that you don't need expensive agencies or luck to be able to become more visible. So, if that is something that you want to learn more about and you want to participate in that workshop and you are serious about growing your visibility, then register for the workshop. Now, you'll notice I don't have a registration link anywhere because I want you to take the next step. Either comment or shoot me a message that you're interested. And as soon as you do, I'll shoot you the link over so that you can register. Really looking forward to seeing you on the webinar. If this isn't for you, but you know someone that this could be for, then shoot this over to them so they get it as well. With that said, make it a great day, and hopefully I'll see you in the workshop.